Welcome to projectbazaar.com. We are going to see about the house price prediction. Now we are going to see about the overview of house price prediction. The main objective of our process is to estimate the house price using different regression algorithms based on input attributes. Predictive models for determining the sales price of house in cities is still remaining a more challenging and tricky task. The sales price of properties in cities like Bengaluru depends on a number of interdependent factors. The purpose of this project is to create a model that can estimate the housing prices. Then we have here in our process we are taken the some data set regarding our objective from some dataset repository like UGI, GitHub, like so on. The system is developed the different regression techniques to estimate or to predict the house price by using rich regression and random forest regression. Then finally, the experimental results shows that some performance matrix, that is the error values. After that we have to estimate the house price in terms of lakhs. So this is the overview of our process. Then we are going to see the flow of our process. First we have to select the dataset. The dataset name is house price dataset. The dataset was collected from dataset repository like UGI, GitHub and Kaggle and so on. After that we have to read your selected input dataset by using the pandas package. Then we have to implement the pre-processing step. In this step we have to handle missing values. Handle missing values means we have to check any missing values is present in your dataset. If you have any missing values means we have to replace that missing values by zeros or some median or mean value, else we have to ignore that. After that, label encoding. So the label encoding means we have to encode the data into some labels, that is the convert the string into numeric integer value for machine readable. The purpose of handling missing values means to avoid the wrong prediction. Then we have to drop the unwanted columns. If any column in our data set is unnecessary to your process means we have to drop that unnecessary columns in priorly. After that we are implemented data splitting module. In this module we have to split your whole data set into test and train. Test is used for prediction, train is used for evaluation. So based on ratio we are splitted our data set. For example, 80:20 means 80% of data is present in train and 20% of data present in test. Most of the data is already every time is present in training part only. Smaller portion of the data are present in testing part. Then we are implemented classification algorithm. So in this classification we are using regressions such as random forest regressor and rich regressor. After that we have to estimate some performance metrics like error values, that is the mean squared error. Then with the help of this error value we have to predict the or to estimate or to forecast the house price based on your input attributes. So this is the flow of our process. This is the output for house price prediction. We are running our process in Spider IDE from Anaconda Navigator. The first module is data selection. So this is the here we are displayed some sample of data from your data set. After the pre-processing, here we are checking any missing values in your data set. So if you 0 means there is no missing values. This is the count of missing values in corresponding attributes. So after checking missing values means we have to remove the all missing values in our set. Then label encoding. So label encoding means we have to convert the string into numeric integer value. So this is the strings which is present in our data set, so we have to replace that strings into numeric integer values. Then data splitting. So here we are splitting your data set into test and train. So this is the total number of data. So after splitting this is the total number of train data, total number of test data. After that we have to analyze some performance metrics, that is the error values. So this is the result for rich regression. So this is the result for random forest regression. Then finally we have to estimate the house price. So this is our sample of predictions. So the house price, so this is result in terms of lakhs. So this is the output for your